Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. Today we are back again here to discuss about the basic civil engineering concepts, and those are very important for all kind of works. Okay, so today we will discuss here the types of footings. Okay, so what we will discuss here, types of footings. Okay, the footing, what is meant by footing? Footing is nothing but a part of a foundation work or a foundation or the base of the building, okay, that supports the column and takes the load from the column and distribute it to the underground soil. Okay, so first one is that first we will list out the types of footings, okay, their names. First one is that the plain footing, okay. Second one is step footing. From their names only you can guess the what kind of footing it should be, okay. Third one is that isolated footing, and this one is also called as tapered or strip footing, okay. The fourth one is that plain combined footing, okay. Plain means like this, normal plain footing, okay, such type of footing, okay, this. But plain combined footing, from this we can guess here that the here two footing must be combined, okay. So this footing must be here and the another one column is here, and this one is the combined footing is here, okay. The fifth one is that isolated combined footing. Isolated combined footing. Sixth one is strap footing or shoe footing. Strap footing, this one is also called as shoe footing or neighbor footing, okay. The guess this one also, what kind of shape of this footing should be, okay, you can guess. I will explain it later on, okay. 7 is that raft footing, and the 8th one is pile footing. So these are the 8 footing types are generally used in all kind of buildings as per their structure, as per their loading analysis. The footings are selected and designed according to that, okay. Plain footing is nothing but it's just a plain pedestal like this, okay. Step footing is something different. You know the building steps, okay, we make the steps like this. Steps is nothing but something different, nah? So step footing must be like this, okay. Likewise steps, step 1, step 2, okay. So here you note down these 8. These are really important footings. If you go for any interview for a site engineer or for a site supervisor, the interviewer will definitely ask you any of these footings names and their shapes and why they used, okay. The detailed explanation with the diagram and their uses and what kind of structure they generally use, all these things we will discuss in the next video. So be with me guys, and subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. I know my video quality is not that much good, but I will improve it very soon. Please support me, okay guys. Be confident. We will meet in the next video.